Hello and welcome everyone to the unboxing of GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card, Founders Edition. Now this one I bought from Amazon few months ago and it arrived basically a few weeks ago and I just had to try it on. So this is not a actual unboxing because I had it tried on and it is working because I was very excited about it to make sure because the graphics card I ordered before did not work, which was RTX 3080 from Colorful. So I had to make sure that if it's working or I had to return it. Now let's proceed with the unboxing. There is something on the box here which was basically um, a note from the seller that if the card is used or if the card is damaged or anything, the half price is refundable. So I had removed it from now. And at the back you have the specifications. Let's open the box. There we go. Let's put the graphic card aside for a moment. Inside you have a quick start guide book, support guidebook, in different languages. And here you had the 12 pin connector by NVIDIA, 12 pin to two 8 pin connectors, which I have already connected to my Alienware Graphics Amplifier, for which I'm going to use it for. So I'll show you that in a bit. But here is the graphics card. Sorry for the TV mess, guys, but this is the Alienware Graphics Amplifier on which I am going to use the graphics card on. As I said before, that the graphics card works fine in it. I've already tried it. This specific amplifier is connected to Alienware 17-inch i7 7820HK processor with the built-in NVIDIA GTX 1080 with 32 GB RAM, and I've upgraded the storage to up to 4 terabytes. So it has one NVMe operating system storage, one hard drive, and 2 TB Samsung NVMe uh, Evo NVMe storage. So let's put the graphics card in and I'll show you how it looks. Just before I put the graphics card in, I want to show you the inside of Alienware Graphics Amplifier. So as you can see, it has one power supply that can support up to 460-watt power supply, and the rated graphic card support is up to 370 watts. And here is the 12 pin to 2 8-pin connector. This is with the power supply, and I had connected this already. I'll just put the graphics card in. It's the PCIe slot, but this one connects with the laptop for about 4x, so it's not giving the full 16x lanes to it, but it will give it to 4x, and again it works perfectly fine. So here is the graphics card. I have already connected it. Let's turn it on. To turn the Alienware Graphics Amplifier on, you just turn on your PC if the lanes are connected from the back of it. So this is how it gets connected. Same connector here, this one, and a power cable and an HDMI cable directly to my TV, as I'm not using the laptop screen. And let's turn it on. There we go. Sorry guys, I thought that I have connected the power supply here with the power cord, but I forgot to do that. Let's turn it on again. So now, because I have already started the laptop one time, I think it will do the rebooting process again. Here you can see the graphic card turn on, but the laptop will turn on and then it will turn off, I believe 2 to 3 times, if I am not wrong, and then it will start properly. Here you can see the graphic card turning on and then it will turn off. It's the first time boot process. It will sync with the laptop. And now it's finally on. There we go. As you can see, the screen turned on. The graphic card is on. And now the main TV display is working. So let me show you that. Sorry for the mess guys. Once again, I have the whole setup here. I like to game on the TV itself. So as I showed you in my previous video, this is the Corsair gaming lap pad, and let's check out the graphics card. As you can see here, it's i7 7820HK. I'm overclocking it to 4.3 gigahertz already. This is the memory. I have 32 GB installed in 2 slots, 16 GB each. I have 3 disk. This is just the power ISO mount, so ignore this. But this one is the NVMe SK Hynix 1 terabyte. This is Samsung SSD 970 EVO 2 terabyte, and this one is the, I don't even know what this is. It's the spinning hard drive, plus the integrated GPU by Intel. This is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 1080 and RTX 3080 successfully installed with 10 GB dedicated memory. I don't have the GPU specs, so I cannot show you that, but what I can do show you is the performance of the graphics card in a second. So this is Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Let me show you the graphics settings first. So we are running 4K quality DLSS, graphics all the way ultra preset. It is ultra preset, but I've made it all settings high with the, you know what, I'll make it highest settings just for this. There we go. RTX on. And let's run the benchmark. Now, while the benchmark is running, I do want to say that because of 4 PCIe lanes, 4x slot, there is a performance difference as compared to 8x or 16x, but it's not that big. So as you can see, like, the game is running on 60 frames perfectly fine without any problem. I will turn on the, yes, there we go. So that's the FPS counter you can see with the graphics card performance usage. It's running on 80% almost. The CPU is running 1080, GTX 1080 is not running at all, and the performance is very smooth. I'll try to upload more benchmarks directly from the PC, but here is the specifications. And 9279, which is lower than the last time I run, but again, it is much better than GTX 1080 on 4K. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope this is helpful because I've been searching for a good graphics card for Alienware Graphics Amplifier. I don't know, I've seen people working with the RTX 3090 as well, but for me the non-Founders Edition colorful 3080 Ti did not work. So, and the amplifier itself does not support anything more than 2 slot. So the best solution I had, or anyone who has this graphics amplifier, is to get a Founders Edition card 3080, 3070 or 3060, which will work perfectly fine without any issues. And 3090 will not fit unless you keep the top part of this amplifier open, so, or you can just completely remove it. But so far this is the specs, this is how it performed, and I will upload more games later on. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you next time.